Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Rebecca. I'm a homeschooling mom of 5, ranging in age from 3 years all the way up to 16 years. This upcoming school year I will have a junior kindergarten, a 2nd grader, a 6th grader, and an 11th grader. And this is our 2nd year homeschooling. And I thought I'd come on and share my curriculum choices. In Canada, we have junior kindergarten and senior kindergarten. He just turned 4 in March. So he knows his numbers. He gets a little stuck on his letters. Language arts, we are going with the pre-K from The Good and the Beautiful. I'll try and do this with his little sister. She just turned 3, so she's not quite there yet for junior kindergarten, but I'm also going to do get ready for the code, A, B, and C. Probably won't get to all of these, but hopefully we'll get to finish the first book, move on to the second one, hopefully. And along to go with the phonics, language arts, I'm also going to do teach your child to read in 100 easy lessons. And this I'm also hoping to do with his younger sister as well. And we also have handwriting, K, from The Good and the Beautiful. For math, we are going to do Liberty Mathematics, level K. Something that was cost effective for math, but still engaging and still thorough, because as I mentioned, I have a 16-year-old and he is going into grade 11, and a lot of times the high school curriculum costs a lot more than the younger years. And that is it for my junior kindergartner's curriculum. He will also sit in with us when we do our family devotional in the morning. Probably sit in for like science and history, which we do together as a group, but I'm not expecting him to really do anything above and beyond like coloring or drawing or something like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. Hi YouTube, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. Ah! Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Those of you who are new and don't know me, my name is Rebecca. I'm a homeschooling mom to 5. I have 3-year-old, 4-year-old, and 7-year-old. I can't